Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I will be reviewing a wireless microphone set that our friends at FerBuee have sent to us. Let's get right into the unboxing. I will be also testing the sound quality with various devices indoors and outdoors up to a distance of 100 feet. The box shows the device can be used with mobile phones, speakers, teaching equipment, mixers, home theater systems, computers, and laptops. Inside, we have our warranty card and manual. The microphone takes about 2 to 3 hours to charge and has a use time of 5 hours up to a distance of 100 feet. We have our headset microphone for hands-free use. We have an auxiliary audio cable connection, a lavalier microphone, a Type-C adapter for use with Samsung Galaxy tablets and LG cell phones, a second adapter for use with your iPhone, a standard 6.5mm audio jack for use with your PA systems and other musical instruments, a USB charging cable that can be used with any charging box or device that has a USB port, a receiver to connect to the cell phone, PA system, computers, tablets, or laptops, or any output devices. Finally, our transmitter that will be connected to the person that's speaking. The box is a very compact setup, makes it very portable and easily carry. Let us test our lavalier microphone with our iPhone. Just a disclaimer guys, if you have an iPhone 7 or higher, or an iPad, you will need an Apple Lightning USB Plus adapter for iPhone or iPad. I will put a link to the adapter in the description box. First, we will connect the receiver using the iPhone adapter. So our receiver is connected to our iPhone and connect our transmitter to our lavalier mic. How are you today? Just a test. Let's record an audio without using the microphone. Testing, no microphone, testing, no microphone, testing. Alright, so let's attach our microphone and see the difference. Again, make sure it's paired. Testing FerBuee microphone 1 2 3. Testing FerBuee microphone 1 2 3. Let's check the differences in the audio. So this is the recording without the microphone. Bear in mind I'm fairly close to the phone here. Testing, no microphone, testing, no microphone, testing. Testing FerBuee microphone 1 2 3. Testing FerBuee microphone 1 2 3. And that is the audio with me using the FerBuee microphone. The manual says it can go up to 100 feet, so we will test it in the park to see if it transmits up to 100 feet. We'll be using our Samsung adapter for our Samsung tablet. And this time I'm going to step away from the device and do the recording. Okay, we connect. Again, wait for a device to pair. Testing FerBuee microphone 1 2 3. Testing FerBuee microphone 1 2 3. Testing, testing. Let's hear how the sound quality is. Sound quality is very good. So another cool feature of this microphone system, you can actually plug your earphones into the device, and while you're recording, you can listen to the quality of your presenter. So for example, you're at yoga class or exercise class, you can put your receiver right beside the instructor or whoever is leading the class, cell phone in your pocket, and you can listen clear instructions from the microphone. If it's an extremely large class and you're all the way in the back and you're having difficulty hearing, this might be a good setup for you. If you're a vlogger and you want to make sure you're doing a good job of enunciating your words or orating to your audience, you can listen to yourself via the headphones, or have a colleague listen to you and see how well you're enunciating your words. And finally, we can do our connection for your computer. So as long as your computer has a USB adapter, you can connect directly to your computer. And the device has a driver built in that will automatically pair and upload with your computer. Plug the device into our computer via our USB port. Now I'm at the park, and I will be testing both the lavalier microphone and the headset at 25 feet, 50 feet, 75 feet, and 100 feet. For the recording, I am using an iPhone to which I will connect the receiver. Testing headset at 100 feet. Testing headset at 100 feet. Testing headset at 75 feet. Testing headset at 75 feet. Testing headset at 50 feet. Testing headset at 50 feet. Testing headset at 25 feet. 25 feet. Overall, this is a very good quality wireless microphone for the price. It works up to 100 feet with clear sound, especially when using the headset microphone. I would recommend it for anyone who are looking for a good quality microphone at an affordable price. I will leave links to this device and also the adapter for iPhone or iPad in the description box. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.